Everyone thinks the best-selling manual boat trailer winch is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, ACDK 3,500 pounds winch. Let's kick things off with the ACDK 3,500 pounds heavy-duty boat trailer winch. What caught my attention right away was its impressive 3,500 lb capacity and bestseller badge, all for just $48.99. If you want a reliable winch that can handle serious loads, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 32 FT strap made from vibrant blue polyester ensures secure towing, and the winch's sturdy base minimizes your physical exertion. Plus, it's crafted from high-quality steel with a galvanized finish, which means it's resistant to rust and sun damage, perfect for those harsh marine conditions. It features a two-way ratchet system, allowing you to effortlessly load and unload your boat, making it super convenient. With over 540 reviews and a 4.1-star rating, many users appreciate its ergonomic design that reduces hand fatigue during use. Now, some people complained about the winch being a bit bulky for smaller boats. Here's the thing though, if you're regularly hauling heavy loads, that added strength is a huge benefit. But if you have a lighter boat, you might find it a bit overkill. This is perfect for you if you're regularly towing heavier crafts like jet skis or larger boats. Skip this one if you have a smaller lightweight boat and want something more compact. At this price point, it delivers great value. Now, if that bulkiness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Camco 2000 lb boat trailer winch. Product number 2, Camco 2000 lb winch. The Camco 2000 lb boat trailer winch is a solid contender priced at $45.93. With a higher star rating of 4.6 from over 2,100 reviews, it caught my eye for its excellent blend of performance and ease of use. If you want a winch that's straightforward and effective, this one deserves a look. The heavy-duty construction includes heat-treated high-carbon steel components, making it sturdy enough to withstand wear and tear. The comfort grip handle ensures you can crank without straining your hands, which is crucial for those long days out on the water. With a 2,000 lb capacity, it's perfect for smaller boats and offers just enough power for most casual towing needs. Now, some users mentioned that it could be a bit tricky to install without a second set of hands. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the ease of use far outweighs that initial hassle. If you're not comfortable with DIY projects, it might take you a bit longer, but it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller boat and want something that's easy to manage. Skip this if you regularly tow heavier crafts, as you might find it lacking. For the price, it offers solid value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for lighter loads. The OPENROAD 1,600 pounds hand winch. Product number 3, OPENROAD 1,600 pounds winch. Coming in at just $27.99, the OPENROAD 1,600 pounds hand winch is a great budget-friendly option. With a 4.5-star rating from 436 reviews, it's a choice that many casual users appreciate for its affordability. The 10M cable provides ample length for most towing situations, and the two-way ratchet allows for easy load adjustments. Plus, the high-carbon steel gears offer good durability against wear and tear, which is crucial for long-term use. Users have noted its lightweight design, making it easy to carry around, which is a nice bonus. Now, some buyers mention that the cable could feel a bit flimsy when fully extended. Here's the thing though, as long as you're mindful of the load limits, it holds up just fine. For lighter tasks, it's more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical solution for loading small boats or personal watercraft. Skip this if you need something heavy-duty for larger vessels. At this price, it's a steal. Next up, if you want something a bit more powerful, let's talk about the Jack Boss 600 pounds hand winch. Product number 4, Jack Boss 600 pounds winch. The Jack Boss hand winch is priced at $21.99, making it the most budget-friendly option on our list. With a solid 4.5-star rating from nearly 300 reviews, it's a decent pick if you're looking for something compact and efficient. If you want a lightweight winch that can handle basic towing, this one is worth checking out. This winch has a pulling capacity of 600 pounds, which means it's more suited for lighter trailers or small boats. Its 23 FT steel cable offers enough length for many tasks. With a gear ratio of 3:1, it provides a nice balance of strength and speed, allowing you to haul your craft without much hassle. Plus, installation is straightforward, which is a plus for those who may not be too handy. Now, some users felt the capacity was too limited for their needs. Here's the thing, if you're not towing heavy loads often, this winch can be a great companion for lighter jobs, but it isn't for everyone. This is perfect for you if you plan on towing smaller items or just need a backup winch. Skip this if you regularly deal with heavier loads, as it might not cut it for you. For the price, it's hard to argue against. Finally, let's look at another strong option from ACDK. The 1,600 pounds heavy-duty boat trailer winch. Product number 5, ACDK 1,600 pounds winch. The ACDK 1,600 pounds heavy-duty boat trailer winch rounds out our list at $31.99. With a high 4.5-star rating from 590 reviews, it's a solid choice for those who need reliability without spending too much. If you want a good mix of performance and affordability, this one is a great fit. The sturdy design includes corrosion-resistant materials, ensuring it stands up to the elements. The two-way ratchet system allows for seamless operation in both directions, which is incredibly convenient for loading and unloading. Users appreciate its ergonomic handle, which minimizes hand fatigue during longer operations. Now, some reviews noted that the winch can feel a bit heavy for some users. Here's the thing, while it might be a tad heavier, that added weight contributes to its sturdiness and durability, which is essential for reliable towing. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable winch for regular use without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're looking for an ultra-lightweight option, but for the price, it's a fantastic value. In conclusion, we've covered a range of manual boat trailer winches from the heavy-duty ACDK models to the more budget-friendly options like the Jack Boss. Each has its unique strengths, whether you're looking for high capacity, ease of use, or a lightweight design. So whatever your towing needs, there's a winch here that can fit your situation.